Hi everyone, my name is Ayo from Gabvic Korah Services Limited. We are into the business of car tracker, CCTV, electric fence, access control installation. Do you know the car you have is part of your companion? The car you possess is a great source of easiness in your life. Most of your important tasks get easier due to your car, such as if you have to travel a long distance in a very short time. Then your car is your best companion. So its safety matters a lot in your life. You need to secure your vehicles. To secure or monitor the location of your car, you have to install a car tracking system that will inform you about the exact location of your car in time. Installing a car tracker in your vehicles will make you more comfortable regarding the safety of your car. The location of your car will be on your mobile phone in the form of a text or map pinpoint. We also have mobile application that can be installed on your phone that will show you the live preview of your car location wherever your car is nationwide. You really need to protect your best companion. We have an installation center nationwide where you can visit and install a car tracker in your vehicle. You can install a car tracker in truck, in keke napep, and bikes known as Okada. Once again, you really need to secure your best friend. Your best friend, I mean your car. Always protect your assets. You can call us on 081 082 433 06. Once again, you can call us or send us a text message on 081 082 433 06 to make inquiry about our service of car tracker installation. Thank you.